Have your voyage to Harmony Infusion, a brand new decor home owned by Surbhi, Brajesh, and their bundle of joy, Yuvaan. Welcoming you into a foyer that opens into a grand setting, subtle wallpapers holding beautiful frames of memory. A contemporary partition. A shoe cabinet in glossy laminates. The complete living of this home is a unique and opulent fusion of beautiful light-toned interiors, effortlessly holding vibrant colored furnitures. Drawing has been designed into two functional units, a TV space and a dining zone. The TV unit is in tan-colored glossy laminates. A luminous dining space with well-fit cutlery unit. An additional crockery unit over a breakfast countertop. An L-shaped modular kitchen with cascading rows of modular cabinets below and above the kitchen platform. A divine puja unit in wooden laminates embossed with bells of spirituality. An exhibit case for family's epic cricket bat collection. Interiors of the kids' room speaks for itself. Wallpapers to ceiling fans, a study table to the huge spacious wardrobes. Master bedroom. A beautiful swirl of colors, patterns, and textures. Ambience of this room is brought up by a sky-colored grand lacquered glass wardrobe. Blue and white modular wardrobes and dressing unit. This room has been embraced with an elegant mauve tone wallpaper, a vibrant work corner, and a bright and grand wall of modular wardrobes. Well, this is how Brajesh family had their magnificent dream home designed by Decorpot.